This video is about the Enterprise Asset Management, or EAM, web application for SAP Business One, presented by Kabeer Consulting Group, a global SAP partner. Kabeer Consulting Group provides training, consulting, technology, and professional services, with a global presence across 9 countries and a focus on industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, and financial services. The EAM application's purpose is to manage and streamline maintenance activities through planning, tracking, and analysis with branch-wise data management. It covers preventative, predictive, and breakdown maintenance. This is the login screen for the EAM web application. The main screen shows the different modules available in the application. Here we see the dashboard of the application. This slide continues to show the application's dashboard. This section covers the administration module of the EAM application. The User Master screen is used to create branch-wise users for the maintenance application. Use the User Branch Assignment screen to assign branches to users within the maintenance application. Users can change their password for the maintenance application on this screen. The Reset Password screen is available for resetting application passwords. The Authorization screen enables the assignment of branch-wise authorizations for maintenance application users. This section introduces the Master Data module. Document series are created branch-wise for the maintenance application on this screen. The Department Master screen is used to define departments. The Technician Master screen defines the technical team members and can be linked with the SAP Business One Resource Master. The Part/Activity Master screen is used to define machine part masters and can be linked with SAP Item Master data. SAP Item Master data can be linked with the Part Master in the maintenance application. The Equipment Master screen defines equipment for maintenance, and these can be linked to SAP Business One. Machine purchase, warranty, and AMC details are managed here. SAP Business One Resource Master data can be linked with the Machine Master of the maintenance application. This screen allows you to define the Vendor Master within the maintenance application. The Business Partner Master can be defined directly in the EAM application here. You can define the Item Master directly within the EAM application on this screen. The Resource Master can be defined directly in the EAM application on this screen. The Breakdown Type screen is used to define and standardize different breakdown types. This section covers business transactions within the EAM application. This slide is a placeholder, continuing the business transactions section. The Breakdown or Service Notification screen is used to report breakdowns occurring in equipment or machine parts. When breakdown details are added, the system generates a job order for assignment, resolution, and closure. The Job Order Part Replacement tab records information for part replacement and is linked with SAP Business One. In SAP Business One, goods issue is recorded for part consumption with reference to the job work order for part replacement. The Preventative Maintenance Schedule screen is used to define branch-wise and machine-wise maintenance schedules with different frequencies for individual items. Adding preventative maintenance details generates a job order for assignment, resolution, and closure. Similarly, adding details for predictive maintenance generates a job order for assignment, resolution, and closure. The Calibration Schedule screen is used to set up schedules for lab and other equipment calibration. A job order for calibration is automatically generated based on the defined frequency for assignment, resolution, and closure. The Equipment Logbook screen is used to enter equipment running details. This section covers the reporting capabilities of the EAM application. This is the Service Status Report screen for tracking service activities. This slide displays the output of the Service Status Report provided by Kabeer Consulting Group. This is the screen for the General Complaint Register Report. Here is the output for the General Complaint Register Report. Kabeer Consulting Group is a global SAP partner and maintains various partnerships and associations. Kabeer Consulting Group has multiple office locations globally, including the head office in New Jersey and others across India, Africa, Asia, and South America.